Hi, it's Jacob here, and I've got a name. My name is Jacob, and your iPhone deserves a name too. It shouldn't be called iPhone 42 bracket 6 bracket 17. It should have its own personal name. And when you're airdropping files between each other, it's really easy to find your iPhone if it's got a clear name. So let's learn how to change it. I'm going to jump into the Settings app on my phone, and then press General, and then I'm going to go on to About. At the moment, for this video, my iPhone is called iPhone bracket 6. It's never normally called that, but I've put that for the video. But I've changed it to that just for this video. And I can simply tap onto here where it says Name, and just like that I can type in a new name for my phone. I generally just call mine Jacob's iPhone, but I guess you could call it Jacob's iPhone 17 Pro Max, or you could call it Herbert, or you could call it whatever you like. It really doesn't matter. But when you've done that, it will save that name. So anytime someone airdrops to you, or you need to view your backup history or anything like that, it will show the name that you've chosen for your iPhone, rather than whatever name it's copied across from the last 3 phones that you've had. And if you want to learn some more things about your iPhone, check out my channel down below, and make sure you subscribe while you're there. I'll see you later for more iPhone quick tips.